Hello everyone, welcome to the GEM Immigration. You are watching the most authentic source for immigration information. Our motto is to deliver updated information and analysis on U.S. immigration reports. We hope you're doing great. Our topic of discussion for today's video is about USCIS 540 days rule and stay in U.S. beyond 540 days and status. If you want to get benefit from this video, focus properly, pay attention to details and watch the video to the end. Without delaying further, let's listen to Robert and see what he got for us today.
Recently, USCIS made a rule of 540 days to provide some relief to the millions of pending applications. Delays processing millions of visas, work permits, green cards, and naturalization petitions, as well as cases languishing in immigration courts. As part of 540 days rule, certain renewal applicants who have filed Form I-765 application for employment authorization qualify for an automatic extension of their expiring employment authorization and/or EAD, while their application is extending. 1. Properly filed Form I-765 for a renewal of your employment authorization and/or EAD before your current expired. 2. Are otherwise eligible for a renewal, which means that one day your renewal application is under a category that is eligible for an automatic extension. See the list of categories below. For H4, E and L2 dependent spouses, an unexpired Form I-94 indicating H4, E or L2 non-immigrant status, including E1S, E2S, E3S, and L2S class of admission codes, must accompany Form I-797C when presenting proof of employment authorization to an employer for Form I-9 employment eligibility verification purposes. If you file a Form I-765 renewal application on or after May 4, 2022, the USCIS will send you a Form I-797C Notice of Action Receipt Notice that is information regarding the up to 540-day automatic extension. If you are eligible for the automatic extension, this receipt notice, together with your expired EAD and your unexpired Form I-94, if you are an H4, E or L2 dependent spouse, including E1S, E2S, E3S, and L2S class of admission codes, will serve as acceptable proof of authorization and/or EAD validity during the up to 540-day automatic extension period. If you filed a Form I-765 renewal application before May 4, 2022, you should have received a Form I-797C Notice of Action Receipt Notice that describes the automatic extension period of up to 180 days. You will not receive a new I-797C Receipt Notice reflecting the increased employment authorization and/or EAD automatic extension. However, Form I-797C receipt notices that refer to an up to 180-day automatic extension will still meet the regulatory requirements for completing Form I-9, including if your 180-day automatic extension expired prior to May 4, 2022. To present acceptable proof of the automatic extension of employment authorization and/or EAD validity, you can show your Form I-797C receipt notice that refers to the 180-day extension along with your qualifying EAD, and also your unexpired Form I-94 if you are an H4, E or L2 dependent spouse, including E1S, E2S, E3S, and L2S class of admission codes. This document combination is sufficient proof of an up to 540-day automatic extension counting from the expiration date on your current EAD. If you filed your Form I-765 renewal application either before May 4, 2022 and your 180-day automatic extension has since expired, 2022 extension has not yet expired, or between May 4, 2022 and October 26, 2023 inclusive of these dates, if you file your Form I-765 renewal application after October 26, 2023, the normal 180-day automatic extension period will apply. Proof of an automatic application. The automatic extension period, including the temporary increase in the extension period, is provided to certain renewal application to help prevent gaps in employment authorization and documentation. If you are a renewal applicant and your 180-day automatic extension expired before May 4, 2022, you can still receive the benefit of the temporary increase of the automatic extension. Your employment authorization and/or EAD validity will automatically resume beginning on May 4, 2022 for any time remaining within the up to 540-day automatic extension. To calculate whether there is automatic extension time remaining, count 540 days from the expiration date stated on the front of the EAD. If you are an H4, E or L2 dependent spouse, including E1S, E2S, E3S, and L2S class of admission codes, count up to either 540 days or the expiration date on Form I-94, whichever is earlier. Employers should complete Form I-9 using the same either 540 days or the expiration date on Form I-94, whichever is earlier. Employers should complete Form I-9 using the same guidance applicable to those who present a Form I-797 Notice of Action Receipt notice indicating that the Form I-765 renewal application was filed before May 4, 2022, and that states the normal 180-day automatic extension. An individual's automatic extension period may terminate prior to the maximum, either 540 or 180 days, either automatically when USCIS issues or denial of the applicant's Form I-765 renewal application or upon notice. In addition, for H4, E and L2 dependent spouses, an unexpired Form I-94 indicating H4, E or L2 non-immigrant status, including E1S, E2S, E3S, and L2S class of admission codes, must accompany Form I-797C when presenting proof of employment authorization to an employer for Form I-9, employment eligibility verification purposes. Normally, DHS regulations provide for an automatic extension period of up to 180 days from the expiration date stated on the EAD. However, DHS has published a temporary final rule increasing the extension period. Effective May 4, 2022, DHS is temporarily increasing the extension period and providing up to 360 days of additional automatic extension time for a total up to 540 days to eligible renewal applicants. The automatic extension time is counted from the expiration date of the employment authorization and/or EAD. This temporary increase is available to eligible applicants with pending applications. So what is the categories eligible for automatic extension? If the category listed on your application is from Series A 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 17, and 18, Series C8, 9, 10, 16, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, and 31. That's all from my side. Thank you.
From the GEM Immigration Information Cell, this is all the updated stuff for today. Let us know topics of your interest for upcoming videos. If you want help of well-reputed U.S. immigration attorney, who can file any petition on your behalf, you can visit us physically at this address. For virtual appointment and more information, visit our website at www.thegemimmigration.com. Thanks for watching.